sorry, I forgot who was making the video for. But yeah, second video, first one upload. But yeah, so it's 2:15.
I hear you're from Canada.
If I remember, that's what you said you're from.
And if she lies, I'm sorry, but I'm still gonna think you're from Canada anyways. Cause Canada's
Canadians
BA,
are
bro.
beast. But yeah. So I haven't talked to you in a while, which I don't know why. So you probably should talk to me more. And I think we should Skype more because that was fun.
And I don't know you, and I would like to Skype with you because she said it was fun.
It was fun. He's very interesting. Um. Yeah. So it's yeah, kind of late. And here's your video. Hope you like it. No, it sucks, but first one was better. And I think she's being a lizard again.
I have a question for you. Are you not turtly enough for the turtle?
You didn't even do that with a straight face.
Turtle, turtle.
Tosh Point O's on. I don't know if you watch that. It's pretty decent, man. It's funny. But yeah. So love you, Jason. We're gonna go. Bye.
Bye.